GPT 5.5 plus Codex is insane. Here's what you need to know, or falling behind. Every single day you don't know about this. Most people are still using the same tools they were using 6 months ago. And the gap between them and the people who update fast is getting bigger. Smaller, bigger. OpenAI just dropped something that changes how work actually gets done. And I'm going to break it all down for you today, so you don't waste another week doing things the slow way. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people learn and implement AI tools so they can work smarter and actually keep up with what's happening. And what's happening right now is a lot. So let's get into it. OpenAI just released GPT 5.5, and it dropped alongside major updates to their coding agent Codex. These two together are a big deal. And by the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly what they are, what they can do, and how you can start using them to get more done. I'm going to walk you through GPT 5.5 first, then we'll go deep on Codex, and then I'll show you how these two things work together in ways that are genuinely hard to believe until you see it. Stay with me because the Codex section especially is something most people are completely sleeping on. And the numbers I'm going to share with you are real. Verified everything. Let's go. GPT 5.5 officially dropped on April 23rd, 2026. It was just days ago. OpenAI describes it as their smartest and most intuitive model yet. What does that actually mean in plain language? Here's the honest version. GPT 5.5 is built specifically for complex, multi-step, real-world work. It's not just a chatbot that gives you better answers. It's a model that can take a big, messy task from you and actually carry it through, from start to finish, on its own. Things it excels at are writing and debugging code, researching online, analyzing data, creating documents and spreadsheets, using software, and moving across different tools until a task is completely finished. Last part is important. It's not handing things back to you every 5 minutes. It's actually staying in the work. But now I put it this way, instead of carefully managing every step, you can give GPT 5.5 a messy multi-part task and trust it to plan, use tools, check its work, navigate through ambiguity, and keep going. Here is something really impressive about this release. Good models are usually slower. That's just the trade-off. But GPT 5.5 actually matches the speed of the previous model, GPT 5.4, while performing at a significantly higher level of intelligence. That's not easy to do. And it uses fewer tokens to complete the same tasks in Codex, which means it's more efficient on top of being more capable. GPT 5.5 is now rolling out to Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise users inside ChatGPT and Codex. And as of April 24th, 2026, it's also available in the API. So developers can start building with it right now. GPT 5.5 Pro is rolling out to Pro, Business, and Enterprise users as well. Where does it shine the most? Agentic coding, computer use, knowledge work, the scientific research. Those are the 4 areas where OpenAI says the gains are especially strong. And that's because all of those things require reasoning across a lot of context and taking action over time. Just answering one question and stopping. Before we go to Codex, I want to give you something real to hold on to. OpenAI said they tested this model with nearly 200 trusted early access partners before release. They also put it through their full safety and preparedness framework and did targeted testing for advanced cybersecurity and biology capabilities. This wasn't rushed. This was a deliberate, careful release of something that is genuinely more powerful than what came before.